Hey guys, we have a great video for you today. What we're going to do is we're going to go over all the different methods for how to remove heat stains and watermarks from furniture. We're going to use an iron blush eliminator. We are going to use a lot of home remedies like mayonnaise, oils, baking soda. We're also going to do Howard's Restor A Finish. So we're going to go over a lot of different ways, find out what works, find out what doesn't work, and I'm going to show you my favorite. So I think you're really going to find this informative, and I'm pretty sure that by the end of this, you're going to have a good idea of how to go about it and how to take care of the water rings and the heat marks in your furniture. Okay, so quickly before we get into this video, what I want to do is show you an extreme example of what we're dealing with when we have water damage. Now, what we have here is there was a pot on this, and this is an extreme example. So obviously this really isn't what we're going to be dealing with because it's not white anymore, and this is really beyond repair. We're going to refinish this. However, you can still see the outline here of where the planter was. So what these white marks are from the heat and the water is it's moisture that gets trapped into the finish. Then what happens is this moisture creates little pockets. So you get these tiny microscopic pockets in the finish. And what that does is you start to lose your clarity. And you can actually see that right here. Okay, so you've lost the clarity of the finish. So basically what you want to do is you want to eliminate these small pockets. That moisture that's in the finish that creates that cloud, that evaporates fairly quickly. And then you're just left with these tiny little pockets. You lose the clarity of the finish. And all we really need to do is eliminate those pockets, or in some cases, fill those pockets. In other cases, with heat, you sort of soften the finish, which again fills those pockets. With the blush eliminator, you do something called reamalgamate finish. Again, you're basically eliminating those little microscopic pockets. That's ultimately what we're trying to do. So you'll find in different types of furniture with different finishes, different methods will work. Different methods work on different furniture because they have different finishes in different states of condition. So what works for one won't work for another. So we'll leave that to you to figure out which ones work on your furniture and which ones don't. Again, just because some methods work in this video and some methods don't work, that doesn't mean that the results will be the same on the piece of furniture that you're working on. So just let us know in the comments. We would love to hear from you which ones worked for you, which ones didn't, and what you thought about our video. Thank you, and enjoy the video.